If you're managing a business on Facebook, understanding your Facebook business page settings and key features is essential to get the most out of your online presence. Your business page isn't just a profile, it's a hub where customers can discover your brand, interact with your content, and even make purchases. Knowing how to customize settings and use features effectively can make a huge difference. Let's start with page settings. In your page settings, you can control everything from page visibility to messaging preferences. For example, you can set whether your page is published or unpublished, adjust visitor post permissions, and manage who can comment or tag your page. You can also enable automatic responses for Messenger, which is perfect for answering FAQs or greeting customers when you're away. Another important setting is page roles. Here, you can assign different roles to team members, such as admin, editor, moderator, advertiser, or analyst. Each role comes with specific permissions, allowing your team to collaborate efficiently while keeping your page secure. For larger businesses, this is critical to manage access and avoid accidental changes. Facebook business pages also come with key features that help you connect with your audience. The Insights tab gives detailed analytics about your page performance, audience demographics, and engagement. You can see which posts are performing well, when your followers are online, and how your audience is interacting with your content. This data is invaluable for shaping your content strategy. Another powerful feature is Shop and Services. You can showcase products directly on your page, set up an online store, or list services you offer. Combined with Facebook ads, this makes your page a central hub for marketing, engagement, and sales. Additionally, tools like events, appointments, and offers let you promote special campaigns, book consultations, or create limited-time deals easily. Engagement tools are also a highlight. You can pin important posts, schedule content, create stories, and enable reviews and ratings to build trust with your audience. Messenger integration allows you to respond to customer inquiries quickly, while automated messaging ensures you don't miss any leads. Overall, mastering your Facebook business page settings and using the key features effectively allows you to maximize visibility, engage your audience, and grow your business online. From insights and analytics to shopping and messaging tools, every setting and feature contributes to a stronger, more professional presence. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand Facebook business page settings and features, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more social media tips, tutorials, and marketing strategies. Comment below and tell me which feature you find most useful for your business. I'd love to hear your thoughts.